So let's try a cymbal that's pretty typical of most drummers out there. This is sort of a mid-level Chinese cymbal. It's got a little bit of brilliance to it, but it's also got a ton of fingerprints, and it's got a ton of gunk and dirt and stuff on it that really do mute the cymbal and take away from the sustain. Just going to spray this cleaner all over. If you're a drummer in a rock band and you're on stages where you want the lights to catch your cymbals and to gleam and glimmer and look great, this is the kind of cleaner for you. You can see pretty quickly all of those fingerprints, all that dirt, all the gunk that was on that cymbal that on stage would make these cymbals look dull. All of that stuff is going away. So when I rinse that cymbal off, let's take a look at the underside of this cymbal. You can notice, if you look in here, you notice all of those fingerprints and all that gunk, all that nastiness. Just gonna spray a whole bunch of this stuff right onto the cymbal. Because there's so much embedded on the cymbal, I use my glove to really rub in that cleaner. Look at that. As if by magic, all that dirt, all that nastiness goes away. And what you're left with is brilliance on either side. Look at that. All those fingerprints, gone, gone, gone. All that dirt, all that gunk, gone, gone, gone. Immediately, those fingerprints, all that dirt, all that gunk, everything that was tarnishing that cymbal completely goes away. And what you're left with, a nice shiny cymbal. Look at that. If I were to take a second pass and really scrub in the cleaner, I could get the last of those few marks that I see that are really close up that I see. Look at that. Gone, gone, gone. Got a nice, bright, shiny cymbal to put up there on your kit for your next concert. Get the original luster, sound, and sustain of your cymbals back without a whole lot of work. SessionAce.com/shine.